Yo, what's up? So I got distracted. Somebody cruised by and gave me some parts. I guess I could show you. Gave me some sissy bar stuff and this pad that goes on the back. Gave me 2 of these. I can never use them, but maybe I'll make a sissy bar out of them. So that's kind of cool. I try to keep my garage door closed. People just always stop by and ask me stuff or want to sell me stuff or can I fix their bike or talk about bikes. It's a nightmare. So saying that, I took a little break from the camera. I ripped around on the bike. Once I kick it over and figure out where the carb's at, it'll kick over pretty easily. So then I went for a ride, and I went for like kind of a longer ride. I don't know, 5 miles. And it's still just puking oil out. I don't get it. So let me go over what the hell is going on. I don't really know how to say what is going on and what's not going on. But basically, my problem is the lifter tubes are blowing oil out. Plus the tube that goes up to the top of the head on the bottom is blowing out. So my first problem is my oil bag. I can't figure out if there's oil going in the bag because it doesn't have like a swimming pool. So I've switched the vent and the return 100 times. I don't know what's going on. I've pulled the return off and it's flowing oil. So the whole oiling system is operating as it should, technically. Okay, so that's good. And then the other thing was the oil pressure was crazy. So I've kind of fixed that. Now it's the pressure's normal. Okay, so now I don't know what's going on. My thinking is, why would the oil come out of the tube like that? And it's not weeping, it's like pouring out, like pushing out. I wouldn't say flowing, but it's like before a flow, whatever that is. So I'm thinking that the bottom end is filling up with oil after I ride it for a while. And once it gets to the top, it's finding a place to push that shit out. My other theory is I blocked a oiling port on one of the jugs. So oil's not returning. So it's staying up top in the top end and forcing its way back down, or just staying where it's at. These are assumptions. I don't know really how to check these things. Other thing is the check ball. Maybe I gotta seat it better or something. But if that was the case, if that one was bad, it'd be puking out the bottom vent, the breather, like a normal sump. Everything's normal. Everything's venting, everything's feeding, everything's acting normal, but it's spewing oil out. So I don't know what to do. I'm gonna ride it right now. It's getting dark. I'm gonna go get some food. I'm just trying to ride it basically, and hopefully it'll correct itself. I even put different oil in it, put thinner oil. I figured the thick stuff was causing a little bit too much pressure. Really obscure thing is maybe the rings aren't seating, but it wouldn't pump oil out. I wouldn't think. If you got any kind of info, put it down in the comments if you've had a problem like this. Otherwise, I don't know. My other theories are the gaskets for the oil pump. Maybe it's blocking something, but I don't know. The whole real problem is the oil's flowing normally. So why would the bottom end fill up? I don't know. Whatever. Let's go ride this thing. Freaking battery's probably dead. All right, let's go for a ride. All right, here we are. Nice and warmed up, smoking all over the frickin' place. So annoying. Chill out, motor. I can't get this thing to idle. All right, so see the oil just burning off on the exhaust. It's coming out of these damn push rod tubes. Trying to get it so you can see it. Nice. Man, that sucks. Look at that. Oil's just going, it's basically just going with the wind. Oh, that's cute. Means what? That was that rubber smell I smelled. Damn it. All right, well, let's get this thing fired up and go home. Man, freaking bike is smoking. Oops. That's cool. All right, there it is. Freaking sad thing. Smoking still, but the freaking cable going, or excuse me, the wire going to the points was smoking on the exhaust. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. It runs normal, it just smokes like crazy because of the oil pumping out, and I just don't get it. I don't know what's going on. Whew, yeah, I don't know what to do. This might be officially beyond me. I might have to take it to somebody, or I don't know, sell it or something. But at this point, I can't keep doing the same things over and over and over. I think I might be defeated. Yeah, I don't know. Again, if you know anything, let me know. Everything's normal on it. It just pumps oil out. Sorry, I'm sweating like a pig. I got tubes new style tubes coming, and lifter block gaskets, and I don't think that's gonna be the problem, or I don't think it's gonna fix it. Now I think it's because I took the exhaust off. I think it's got another exhaust leak. Those pipes don't seal. Gas box 2-in-1s don't fit this bike. Not saying they don't fit yours, but they don't fit this one. They just do not want to seal up in the head. So that's fun. That's annoying. Man, such a bummer because it's fun to ride. You start smelling smoke from the oil coming up, and it's ruining all the brand new crap I put on there. Man, I don't know how people just like fix a bike in like a weekend and then they ride it across country or something. I can't even get this one to go to the next town and over. And I've worked on pretty much almost everything but the bottom end. Yeah, what a fucking kick in the nuts. Like, subscribe, and I doubt I'm going to figure out next one, but I got to fix my Sportster in the next one. So, EFI, I got to fix.